Here's my lovely notes. They look good, don't they? There's nothing there. And so my photos show up. Oh, these ones are loading. Loading. These are images I've had from other note-taking apps because the notes on here just won't load. And I need to do something, so I take it in another app, and then I've brought it in because I'm trying to keep it all... Oh, they're coming up. Photos are loading. But I've brought them in here so I can keep them all organized. Oh, look, there's some of my handwritten notes. They're all coming now, populating slowly. Good. And now let's see. If I go in, let's just try this one. I had restarted my iPad. Let's get that paired again. Oh, there you go. So delay there, but it seems to finally work. Okay, that's good. Oh, can't erase it now. No, what if I color over top of it? Nope, that's not working either. Why not? I can scroll. Hello. Exclamation mark, switch over to red, put a circle around it. Look how awesome this is. This is what I'm talking about. And if you wait long enough, it'll eventually come up. Let's see if it pops up. Not magically doing anything here. You can still scroll. Sometimes it totally freezes. Right now it's not freezing. And eventually it'll just pop up. Sometimes. I wonder if I can go out to another note here. Go back to it. Nope, no, it's still not there. But now I can do this, so I guess it's gone. So sometimes the inputs, if you wait long enough, they just will come up 10, 15 seconds later. Otherwise, they're just gone. I still can't erase these ones. Like, it's just messed up. And I committed to it. It was working okay for the first few months of our class. And then now I sort of have to stay with it, but it's just so frustrating. Apple's Notes is not what we thought. It looks like it's unable to handle multiple handwritten notes. So I think the thing for me is that I do a handwritten note, and then I'll go up to the top, and I'll put in today's date. So just for now, just write today. Oh, I didn't do it for that last one because I was trying something new. So let's try that again. So I'll go up and I'll put in today, put in the date, and then I go and I just click it and do insert drawing. This also happens. Gives me a single line and then it'll pop up with all the lines. But after a few seconds, let's see if it comes. No, still not going. You just gotta wait. There it is. And then you can actually start. This has sort of been my experience. But I keep doing that to keep them separate. So if you scroll down, then there's another separate drawing. And it's like it's not made to handle these multiple drawings. So text and then another drawing inserted. Text, another drawing inserted. These are images I had brought in. Other images, and they just load. Text, and these are images. But like below here, text, another drawing. So you can move it up and down. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it seems to me like they've made it so that you could insert one drawing and draw it and be done. But the fact that I have drawing and then inserted text and then another drawing, that's my only guess that it's messed up because of that. So, not totally sure what to do about it. But again, I invested into it at the beginning of my term, and now I kind of have to stick with it. So, what are you going to do? Gonna make a video. That's what I'm gonna do. Often it'll screw up too when I'm here. I don't wonder if I can get it to do it. Yes. Oh no, now it's just shrunk up. If I bring this down, can I? If I write down here, oh, see, sometimes if I get down below, what'll also happen, I'll start writing down here and it will write it on the next drawing below it. You'll see it as soon as the pen touches the screen, you'll see the one on top of it, and I'll write it, let go, and then it's gone. And turns out what my writing with my pen on the screen will have actually been writing on the note, the drawing, below. which is also extremely frustrating. So let's see if I can get this down. Move it down here again. Start. No, it seems to be working. I wonder if I can get that on camera though. That's been also another frustrating one. Just like not being able to erase things. Come on. And this is moving for some reason. I'm not sure why it's moving. There we go. Very slowly, not allowing me to erase certain things. It's hard to see green in that video. I won't do green anymore. Hi. I wonder if I'll do another one up here. Let's see. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to insert drawing. Tap my notes. Now it seems to be working. Of course, when you try to get it to screw up, it's not going to screw up. But yeah, as soon as I would start writing down below somewhere, another note would sort of pop up underneath it, and I'd be writing on the note below. It seems to be working. It's only as I drag the window down that that would happen. Well, usually. It seemed to happen all over the place. But it seems to be working okay for us now. But even when you drag the window down, you notice it takes a few seconds. So there's this line down here, and it's over top of. Until you scroll down, it's gone. So little bugs and stuff, that's not a huge deal. There we go. So I'm writing on it here, popped up, and then it's gone. Let's try to start writing. Whoop, and now you can see this is participles, volatives, infinitives. So this is a note we'll see. Gone. It's actually a note below. We'll scroll down to it. There it is. And look, all my lovely scribbles now all over a past note. That's helpful. Sarcasm coming in. So I've made this note apparently too long and it can't handle it. And so I'll go back to it, and now it works fine. I find that when I scroll down, if I just touch another note, do a little drawing inside of it and go back up, then I have no problem. But yeah, I'm glad I got that on video. Finally, I'm able to see this ridiculousness. This happens to me all the time. Usually right in the middle of a lecture, which is very frustrating. So Apple Notes, cool when it works, awesome. Love the pen, the highlighter, the color, it's great. But when it works, it doesn't work very often. So, ta-da.